67 a Leonor, Shelby, GT500 original, not replica.
Because every year we bring the car. We are living here, so we just bring it for people to see them.
And admire.
Yeah.
Hello, this is Our King. I'm at the 2025 edition of Larnaca Classic Car Festival. This is my third participation, and I'm always very excited to cover this festival because I'm a fan of old school cars, and today we have a lot of beautiful cars here. I like the ambience, the music, the people, the car. So we're gonna visit, we're gonna talk to some people, and we're gonna see some of these cars, how beautiful they are. One of the criteria to participate at this festival is that your car has to be at least 80 years old. So the cars we're gonna be seeing right now are at least 80 years old.
It's a C3 Chevrolet Corvette. It's a 5.7 litre and it's a 1980 model. V8, yeah, V8.
So why did you choose to bring it at the festival?
It's his car.
Why? Why is it here? Why?
Why?
Because it's a classic.
Because it's a classic car like the rest of them. Well,
And
maybe not all of them, but it is part of the classic cars from America, brought to England, and from England to here.
Oh, nice.
And then he bought it.
I'm the lucky man. I'm the guy who owns it.
He's the lucky
Very
man.
proud. Best car.
I'm just the muscle.
Behind me, as you guys can see, there are tractors, and these tractors are very old. As I can read here, like this one says, it was created in 1957. So these are very, very old trucks that has been in existence even before I was born. It's unbelievable that I can see them. So they really look brand new. They really look, man, like, see, they really look brand new. I don't know how these guys succeed to keep it to look this new, but it's amazing. If I didn't see these dates here, I wouldn't even think like these are like very, very old, 80 years to 90 years old trucks. Like, I can't believe it's unbelievable.
It needs to be checked all around that everything is okay.
Yeah, but the guys, they sent me the car from Poland.
And they said
service
that
it all, they said.
They said.
No. It's 67 a Leonor, Shelby, GT500 original, not replica. Mint condition, as you see.
So why did you choose to bring it here at the festival?
Well, it's an amazing festival, and always in such a places you meet a lot of nice people, you make new contacts. It's a hobby.
So what year was it created?
34.
1934?
Yeah.
So what's the speciality of this car?
No, 47 for this one. 37.
Oh,
34 this one.
37.
why do you like this car?
It's in the family, so that something from the family.
Why did you decide to bring it at the festival?
Or because every year we bring the car. We are living here, so we just bring it for people to see them.
And admire.
Yeah.